Hi, and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Mercedes W204. The cabin air filter is in the passenger footwell, so it's behind the glove box, down low in the footwell area, positioned directly behind the glove box compartment, under the dash on the passenger side, sitting tucked in there low and snug and secure. We grab a T20 bit. Using a bit holder and a socket wrench, we carefully undo the 3 screws here and then remove the trim panel afterward. Like so. So wrap it around 3x. Remove the cover here. So take the plugs off here. So take the panel out. The cabin filter is located here, behind. We'll just push the whole thing to the side. We still need to take this little clip off here so the cabin filter can come out easily. We take the new cabin filter and carefully put it in place. And push it right back to the side and put the trim back in. So snap the clips back on. Alright, I really hope the video helped you. If so, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Ciao.